All right, guys, I'm in the middle of a really beautiful trade here. I'm very proud of this trade. and I don't have much. I only have 18 shares left. Really low share size at this point. And it's on PLTR. And you can see the beginning of the morning here on the 1-minute chart and on the 5-minute chart. So I pulled this dash line from pre-market. It was just an important level here. At the open, we come up, we kind of do an ascending triangle right here, but it fails. It drops down, goes to all this support, and then bounces. You know, the support holds basically. We have the 200, the 100, and the 50 MA all on the 1-minute chart, as well as we're kind of near VWAP. And we started. It looked like it was holding, and we started pressing up, kind of on a very small ascending triangle there. So I took it long, just above VWAP. On this thing, it looks below VWAP, but just above VWAP. And I think really I was playing if it broke this previous 1-minute low in this candlestick, I was going to actually stop out. So very tight stop loss, which is usually how I operate. And I partialed out towards high of the day, towards the $19 mark, and on up. Then we broke through the $19 mark, and on the pullback right here I did an ad, and I love this ad, very proud of it. I took it back out over some steps here. Then on this, we had a very similar setup at this point to what had just happened. I took it long here again, and then partialed those out up here as we have gotten near 1950. Now 1966 is the stock's PLTR's all-time high, so I was holding on to these last shares, seeing if maybe we could make it, but didn't make it there. Stopped out on the last 18. But that is okay. I had a great day. Got 77% of my daily goal, but gonna end the day on this trade just because this is really how I want to trade. This is very clean. This is my style of trading to the T, and it's really great to have a Monday where you feel as good about your trade and it's as clean as this one was.